that valley. This is where sometimes the turbulence occurs.
Oh yeah. Here we arrive
from the north.
For short to the
Yeah,
north.
so that's runway 20. And this is now the place where it might shake a little bit. Perfect. There's still a lot of runway. He's just trying to get the exit here.
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to St Helena. Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop in its parking bay and the captain has switched off the fastened seatbelt sign. To prevent the loss of your personal belongings, we urge you to make a thorough check of your seating area. This includes your seat pockets to ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before you leave. Use caution when opening the overhead compartments as some items may have shifted during the landing. We ask for your patience while we offload your SkyCheck luggage. May I remind you that all airports have been declared smoke-free zones. Smoking is only permitted in the designated areas of the terminal building. The use of your cell phones is only permitted once the main aircraft door has been opened. Passengers requiring any assistance are requested to remain seated until all the other passengers have disembarked. Thereafter, one of the cabin crew members will gladly assist you. We would like to remind you that there is no ATM service in St Helena and the bank is closed on Sundays. There is, however, a banking kiosk situated in the arrivals hall for your convenience. Your safety is our main priority. Please be careful when going down the stairs and mind your head at the exit. It's been a pleasure having you on board and we hope to see you soon on one of our Airlink flights. On behalf of Captain Harimsa, Captain Creel and the rest of the Airlink team, we wish you a pleasant journey. Thank you, take care and goodbye.